Get ready to escape the world. Today, we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5, the headphones synonymous with industry-leading noise cancellation. Seriously, these aren't just good. They're an absolute silence sanctuary, making noisy commutes or open offices feel like a private concert hall. Imagine truly focusing, uninterrupted. That's the transformative power the XM5s bring to your everyday. But pure quiet isn't their only superpower. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music, podcasts, or calls will last longer than your longest day. And for the multitaskers, the multi-point connection is a game changer. Seamlessly switch from your laptop to your phone without missing a beat. No more fumbling with settings. These intelligent headphones just work. If you're looking for the ultimate audio upgrade, superior comfort, and unmatched quiet, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are simply in a league of their own. Ready to experience the difference? You can find the best price and grab your own pair through the Amazon link in my description below. For anyone serious about immersive sound and unparalleled peace, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is an absolute must-buy and my top electronics recommendation for 2025.